Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The blonde hair of dark skinned Melanesians have no European origins. If vital organs are not hit, a person can run a dozen feet more. When your mobile phone is about to hit the floor, just kick it lightly and it will cause less harm to your mobile as your leg has absorbed most of the kinetic energy of your phone. Smoking habit leads to a rare condition, hair growing inside throat of a 52-year-old Austrian man. It's building a giant GPU cooler in Texas by Elon Musk. The whole house is being moved with people still in it. Cats are crucial to stop a global rat infestation. Our lungs have receptors that can predict illnesses. A Muslim female artist from Azerbaijan stitched the whole Quran on silky fabric. It took her 3 years to finish this fine work. Mother cats will go to any lengths to protect their kittens. If shark sees a limp body, it is more likely to attack it. Criminals in ancient times would be sewn inside a rotting animal skin and then tied to a tree where they would be eaten alive by vultures. Alfonsina Strada was the first woman to compete in a professional cycling race. Sun emits all colors but green is the strongest and not yellow. The Katydid hears through holes in its hind legs. Kabir is the first known cell phone virus appeared in 2004. A computer can never generate a truly random number. Body parts of lobsters and their locations: brain, throat, nervous system, abdomen, teeth, stomach, kidney, head. It also hears using its legs. Calling appears when the user is offline. Ringing appears when the user is connected to the network. China builds world's first AL prosecutor that can get you arrested for crime with 97% accuracy. There are more Lebanese in Brazil than the Lebanese in Lebanon. Scientists revived 50,000-year-old zombie virus from Siberian permafrost. Titanic sister ship Britannic wrecked site at depth of only 390 feet 119 meter. Todd Davis, former CEO of LifeLock, famously publicized his social security number in marketing campaign to demonstrate confidence in his company's identity theft protection services. Nootropics or smart drugs are a class of substances that can boost brain performance. They are something called cognition enhancers or memory enhancing substances. Prescription nootropics are medications that have stimulant effects. Castaway depots are huts placed on isolated islands containing supplies and tools for castaways or shipwreck victims. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the New Zealand government built a string of these huts on sub-Antarctic islands. Crickets are bursting with protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Whether in cricket, flour, or whole in dishes, they are safe, sustainable, and surprisingly delicious. Drop 5 to 10 green tea bags in while the water is running. This will relax your body and give your skin an ample amount of minerals. Applying the bags to your hair will help get rid of dandruff and promote hair growth, reduce hair loss. Domino's Pizza launched in Italy in 2015, aiming for 880 outlets by 2030. They opened 29 branches, which were all shut down by 2022. In 2005, a man named Heckman read the terms and conditions before installing some PC software. This agreement included a clause offering financial compensation to licensors who actually read the license agreement. In the 1920s, a man in Chicago convinced his wife to get all of her teeth pulled, but when the wife asked to receive dentures, the man refused, saying it was cheaper to feed her with soup than the solid food. The wife sued him in the court and won. Looking for a good documentary to watch? Check out pbs.org. PBS puts out some of the best documentaries on a regular basis, and they are publicly funded, so they are free and have no advertisements on them. Richard was a self educated naturalist, conservationist, writer, and wildlife photographer. He left his career as a heavy equipment operator, flew to a remote Alaskan lake, built a log cabin by hand, and lived alone for nearly 30 years. He documented his activities in journals and on film, which others later used to write books. Ways to heal a burnt tongue after eating hot food. Apply honey to the burn and don't swallow for a bit. Dip your tongue into milk. Place minty chewing gum directly on the burnt area. Rinse your tongue with a salty solution. Squeeze juice from an aloe plant. Thanks for watching.